Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namo Narayanaya, Jai Shri Ram. Welcome back to the Clay Studio. Om Shri Matre Namaha. So, today I am working on the thin white outlining. These outlines seem trivial, but they are the ones that bring out things in the front or push things in the back. For example, all these 12 heads of Adishesha, which of the heads are in the front, which are in the back. That storytelling really happens because of the thin white lining. It's not necessary to give it this to this level of boldness, but sometimes when this is not a natural art or a nature painting or realism or such. This has to do with the storytelling of the Sahasranamavali. So if we have to balance out so much of writing in the background, it needs that we have to push these to the foreground. And that pushing is done through this kind of thin white lining. Okay, then you can now see how it is. And this side is not done. So once I'm done with that, you will see that this side is coming to the front. I haven't done this side also, but I've been doing in the middle, or rather within the heads of Adishesha. And the same, I think I started off with the crown of Sri Vishnu as well. So the same thing will continue. These are the things that I said, will take approximately 20 hours of detailing that I'm estimating. So the ideal way to do it is to do it on the same day. I could have tried that, but somehow, this weekend was not so effective, and I'm assuming that the coming 3 weeks will also be very busy. Maybe next weekend, depends. If it's possible, I will see if I can pull through with the stretch of doing it at a stretch, because doing it at a stretch definitely takes a lot of energy, but at the same time it starts showing in that progress and detailing. Mistakes can be found easily when you're working on the same timelines. That's also an advantage. For example, here this painting, I think 10 or 11 hours or more. I remember working on the details of the jewelry on the same day. And it was a lot to cover through, but still it was key to the success in terms of the jewelry alignment or the color toning and such. You can see that coming through. That kind of uniformity is needed for this as well. Given that this is actually a smaller picture in comparison to the other one that you just saw, because most of the area is covered already by the scripture, Sahasranamavali writing. So the physical area where I have to do this kind of detailing is actually less as compared to the Rama Avatar Sitaramam painting. So if I can sit through on the same day, there is a possibility that I can make a nice jump with the progress of the detailing, and also maintaining consistency. With white, there is no problem. We can do it again and again, or do it leaving a gap. White is always white, but it's not just the white. There will be a lot of detailing in the jewelry also to come through. And that has to show some level of consistency. So I've kind of done this. Now you see that this section is kind of, coming out of the body of the painting. And that has to happen throughout. So that's what I am doing. The other two paintings, Shiva, Journey to Kailash, and also my parents' painting, I haven't done much this week. Whatever I showed you last is the last. I haven't done much. And I'm sure that the coming weeks, like I said, it will be a bit of a slow down with respect to the painting. So possibly in the weekends, and also in July, we can see some kind of progress, material progress, hopefully. So that's what I am trying to do here. I have to do the detailing of the face. I haven't done it yet. So once that is done, then some more things can come there. So that's it for now. I am going to show one more. Sometimes, it's just halfway through, not a full circle, halfway through or something like that, to give an effect, to bring the designing also to the front. It helps. So such detailing goes on. All right, I think I will wrap up. Until we meet next time, stay blessed, stay happy, stay healthy, and stay motivated. Om Shri Matre Namaha. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namo Narayana. Jai Shri Ram. Thank you.